fold it vertically. And I also put some wavy lines. Thank you. Well, that's all.
Okay, very good, Kuya Julian. Okay, next naman we have from Ate Yesha. Okay, is Ate Yesha here? Ate Yesha?
Yeah. Hi, teacher. Hi, classmates. Good morning. This is my crayon etching. I use pink, green, purple, and red. I I use chopsticks to create figures. I have here flowers and butterflies. I I feel close to nature whenever I see them. I feel calm and relaxed too. I hope you like it. Thank you.
Wow, very good, Ate Yesha. So we also like that yesterday you were raising your hand na parang nagsasabay ka na sa recitation and you're also not shy anymore. Very good, Ate Yesha. Okay, so next we have Ate Gia. Okay, Ate Gia, just put her in the captions. So, Ate Gia drew a duck with a grass under it. Very good, Ate Gia. Okay, next we have from Kuya Sean. Kuya Sean?
Wait lang po. Nag-on pa yung cam ko po. Hello, this is my drawing. Hello, this is my crayon etching. I draw some food, 3D objects, the sun and the moon.
Okay, very good, Kuya Sean. Okay, next we have from Kuya Liam.
Hello, this is my crayon etching. The color I use is brown, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. I use random shapes to do it.
Okay, very good, Kuya. Okay, next we have, okay, this is from Ate Elena. Okay, from Ate Elena and Ate Isabel after. Ate Elena.
Good morning po.
Good
This is
morning,
my,
Ate.
this is my assignment po. For my assignment, I drew a video character that I like po. Video game character po.
Okay, sinong video game character yan?
Go ahead.
Ano po, sa game po kasi na yun, parang written game po siya. Tapos, isa lang po siya dun sa mga character po na ini-interact niyo po.
Okay, okay. Very good, Ate. So next we have from Ate Isabel.
Good morning po. So, for my crayon etching assignment, I drew a flower, a shooting star, and a person. Thank you.
Okay, wow. Very good, Ate Isabel. Okay, parang same aesthetics kay kay Ate Jamie kanina na parang I used to also draw that yung parang lang siya, sort of a drawing diary wherein you draw your outfit, a flower, a food, and then the place, and just make it some sort of a collage. Okay, very good. Okay, next we have from Ate Jazz.
Good morning po, Good morning po, teacher. I drew some patterns. The color I used is red, orange, yellow, and green.
Okay, very good, ate. Okay, next. Okay, parang last na ata yung pala na assignment. Let me see. Okay, so that's the last assignment. Okay, so sino pa ba merong assignment na hindi pa na-present? Meron pa ba? Okay, if not, let's now go to our lesson for today. Okay, so for today, we will be mastering colored pencils. So, yung nakalagay dyan is day 7, but we are already in our day 8. Na-typo lang yan. Okay? Okay, so here we have some tips for coloring with colored pencils. Okay, number 1, who wants to read the following? Okay, yes, Ate Hani?
Angle the pencil so that the broadest part of the tip is touching the paper.
Okay, very good. So how do we do that? How do we hold our pencils back? So can you show teacher how you hold your pencils? Okay, how do we hold it? Do we hold it like this or like this? Like this. Very good. It should be angled so that yung gilid ng pencil, yung magta-touch sa ating paper. Okay? Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, we have here an illustration of different tooth of paper. So, different mediums, we should be using different kinds of paper. Touch your paper now. How does it feel? Is it rough? Is it semi-tooth? What do you think It's rough. So what do you think we'll be using today? Should we use rough or should we use ultra smooth? What should we use today?
Rough.
Okay, we should be using a semi-tooth, okay? Pwede din naman rough, but a rough one is much more, parang better for watercolor, okay? Okay, Kuya Juliet, kindly turn off that dog filter so that we can see your camera lang, okay? Okay, very good. Okay, next we have enhance your skills by blending two contrasting colors together through shading. Okay, so here we have some complementary colors. So when you make gray, when you mix them together, okay, so what are complementary colors, Teacher Angel? As you can see, complementary colors are colors that are opposite to each other in the color wheel. Okay? So as you can see, let's take this one for example. What's the opposite of the color yellow?
Purple. Purple.
Okay, very good. It's purple. Okay, so what about another one? Okay, what about the color red? What's the opposite of the color red? This one.
Green.
Okay, it's green. Very good. What about the yellow green?
Violet or magenta.
Are you sure? Is this,
Magenta.
that's pink. This one is pink. Okay, what
It doesn't
about,
look like pink.
yeah, it doesn't look like pink. Parang sa shade lang ata ng image, but that's actually pink. Okay, what about orange?
Blue.
Okay,
Cyan.
it's light
Blue.
blue. It's cyan or light blue. Okay, very good. It's light blue. What
Cyan.
about this color? This color brown.
Blue.
Okay, that's
Dark
blue.
blue.
Okay, very good.
That's
Okay,
yellow orange.
okay, so now we're gonna mix them together. Okay, so how do we mix them, teacher? So we mix them by, for example, wag muna mag-drawing ha, wag muna mag-drawing. Look muna kay teacher. Okay, so for this example, okay, so what's the first color here that we have? What's the first color here?
Red and green.
Red and green.
Okay, yung first color muna, what's the first color?
Red.
Okay,
Red.
red. So what we're gonna do, we'll make, pwede yung, you can make it any shape you want. It can be a circle, a square, a heart, whatever color you want, okay? First, let's put a red here, okay? And then, let's also put another red here. Okay, and then, we get back to our pencil, we get the plus sign and the equal sign. Okay, and for the second color, what's the second color? Anong i-add natin sa...
Green.
Okay,
Green.
a green. Very good. So, we'll color green here. And on the results, we're also gonna color green on top. Okay? Did you got it?
Yes.
Papa.
Okay, very good. So, you're gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this, okay? So, 5 na plus sign, 5 din na equal signs. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, so what are we gonna use today? Are we gonna use crayons or color pencils?
Color pencil.
Very good. We will be
Color
using...
pencil.
Okay, very good. We will be using our color pencils. Okay, so now, get your color pencil.
No, this is only for me. I don't know where the other one is.
Okay, so we're gonna be using our color pencils. Okay, teacher's gonna be writing here the different colors. Okay? So the first color we have is color red. And the second color is green. So, next we have here, this one is pink. So, wag nyo na ilagay yung color, yung name ng color, okay? Nilagyan ng name ng color ni teacher dito para alam nyo kung ano ang gamitin, okay? Okay, very good. Okay, you may start coloring now, okay? So, you can make the coloring a square, a bit of a square or circle. Just make it little, okay? Just make it little. Teacher's gonna give you 10 minutes for that. Okay, this one naman is light green. Light green or yellow green. Okay, and then next we have here, we've got orange. And then we have light blue or sky blue. And then we have here color brown and some blue. This one is the dark blue one, okay? Or the normal blue. And lastly, this is yellow and this should be purple. It's purple, okay? We're not gonna be using gray. So, nabali lang yan dyan paglagay. Okay, we're gonna be using purple. Okay, teacher's gonna give you until 9:50 to do this activity, okay? If you have questions, you can just either raise your hand or type it in the chat box. If you want teacher to read your question immediately, you may type it in the chat box, okay? Okay, 2 more minutes for the others to finish. Okay, just make it little, okay? Okay, it's now 9:50. So everybody, are you done? So can we take a picture now? Can it?
Teacher, I'm not done yet.
Okay, so teacher's gonna give you
Oh.
5 more minutes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, is everybody done now? Okay.
Also,
Okay, so everybody show your words to the camera so teacher can take a picture. Ate Yelena, Kuya Ocean, Ate Jamie, Kuya Jacob, yes, Ate Margo.
done.
Okay, saang part ka na, ate? Okay, the last part. Okay, we'll wait for you for the last part, okay? The last part is yellow and purple.
I'm done now.
Okay, show it now so teacher can take a picture now. Okay, everybody. Wow, it's in the shape of a heart. Okay, Kuya Julian. Okay, Ate Yelena and Ate Isabel. Can you open? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Ate Yelena and Ate Isabel, hindi na kayo nakikita. Okay, pakita pa din kayo. Ate Yumi, pakita pa din kayo, okay? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, si Ate Jamie and si Ate Jazz, hindi din nagpapakita ng mukha. Ba't naman ganun? Okay, teacher's gonna send this for in our GC muna, okay? Okay, very good, everybody. Okay, what did you observe? What happened to the colors when you blended them? Yes, Ate Alexandra?
They mix.
Okay, they mix. Very good. Yes, Kuya Gab. Kuya Gab, Kuya Gabriel, pag mag-click ka ng hands up sign, ika-isang click mo lang, okay? Okay, what did you observe, Kuya?
They blended together.
Okay, very good. They blended together. And what are the color that blended? Anong kulay? Did it become lighter? Did it become darker? What's the common color that are in the results? Yes, Kuya Julian?
Darker.
Okay, darker. So when they are, yes, Ate Margo?
I think my I think understand doctor.
Okay, so what about the others? What happened when you mixed them? Yes, Ate Amber?
They mix together to become darker.
Okay, darker. What's the common color in the results? Is it dark violet? Is it brown? Is it gray? What's the common?
Common.
Among the results?
Different.
Okay, they're different. So, different shades. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's now continue our discussion. Okay, so before we go, mag-break time muna tayo for 15 minutes, okay? Okay, we'll get back by 10:15 a.m., okay? Like, yeah. Or, the teacher of right. Okay, we're now back to class. Okay, everybody? Okay, so let's stop talking with the classmates now, okay? Okay, so we are now back to our lesson. And the next step we have is to master the art of burnishing. Okay, what's burnishing, teacher? So burnishing is when you apply one color on top of the other. So kanina, yung ginawa nating color mixing, it's also color burnishing. Yes, Kuya Julian, what is it?
Can I go to the bathroom po?
Yes, you can. Okay,
Thank you po.
wag mo dalhin yung cat mo doon. Yung kala mo na cat.
Okay.
Okay, so, pero yung ginawa natin kanina, they're not in the same color or they're not in the same shade or tone or tint. So, that's why, color mixing yung ginawa natin. But, when we use color white, a colorless blender, or something that is closer to that certain color, that is called burnishing. Okay? So, as you can see, on this one, on the first one, there are still traces of the paper. Diba? Can you still see the white background? Yes or no? Yes. What about the second one? Is it smoother? Yes.
Yes.
The second one is smoother. So, because it is applied with a colorless blender. Okay, in this our second example, so this one is colored with blue. Okay, so this first example is colored with blue, but as you can see, there are still traces of some white background. So here we have burnished with the color white. So, yung ginawa dito ng artist is kinoloran niya ng color blue and then sinapawan ng color white. Did it become smoother? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, but because white is a bit lighter. Okay, but because white is a bit lighter, so naging light din yung ating blue. So, here naman, meron tayong colorless blender. If colorless blender yung gagamitin natin, the color will not change, but the consistency of our color will become smoother. So this one naman, the last box, it is burnished with same color, parang same shade of, another shade of blue pala, okay? So, meron siyang traces of other shade of blue, but it still became better than the first one. Okay? So, another blending here and color burnishing. So, this one are brands. This one is a Prismacolor and a Polychromos. So, as you can see, the Prismacolor is it's smoother, but the Polychromos is also much more brighter and vibrant. Okay, so in this example, so the skin tone is burnished for the shading part, it's burnished with the color violet. And for the skin tone part, it's burnished with the color flesh. Okay, so let's now have an activity. Okay, so what fruit is this?
Pear.
Okay. Okay, very good. This is a pear. Okay, so for now, we will make a pear. Okay? Okay, so kindly get your another sheet of paper and we will now make a pear.
Click pin to screen.
Got it.
Okay, are you now ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So the first thing we're gonna do is, of course, what's the first thing we do when we create an artwork?
Tracing.
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 Draw it with a pencil.
Tracing? The teacher told you to trace?
Guideline.
Okay.
Guideline.
The guidelines and start with the basic shapes. Okay. So we are now, okay, so we're gonna make it like this, okay? So we're gonna make the sketch. So dito muna tayo, okay? So first, you're not gonna be sketching with your graphite pencil anymore, okay? We're gonna sketch. Use your pencil already. Get your color yellow pencil. Okay, let's start with our body of the pear. So for the body of the pear, we will make here, okay, we will make a circle. Okay, we're gonna make 2 circles. So the other one should be bigger than the other circle. Okay, this is our guideline. Okay. You can use your erasers for that, okay?
Done.
Yes, Ate Yesha?
I cannot erase I cannot erase it.
Why can't you erase your color pencil?
I don't know why.
Okay, it's okay. Pag hindi mo yan na-erase, it's okay. Just let it be na lang kasi we're also gonna color it yellow later on, okay? Okay, so now get your brown pencil, your brown color pencil, and we're gonna sort of trace along the guidelines for the shape of our pear. Okay? Parang ganun din natin. Hala! Oh my God. Sorry, nawala ni teacher. Sorry. Meron tayong guideline dyan na dalawang circle, but the other one is slightly bigger than the other. And then we're now gonna trace the shape of our pear. Yes, Ate Margo? Ate Margo, can you type it na lang, please, so the teacher can understand you better?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Iulitin lang ni teacher, okay? Okay, so parang ganyan na siya. And we're also gonna add our leaf. So you can add just a simple leaf there. Okay. You can add just a simple leaf. Okay, para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Okay, once you're done, you tell teacher, okay? Okay, so the sketch should be looking like that. Okay, not yet, Kuya. Okay, not yet, Kuya Jael, because your classmates are still sketching. Okay, after they're done with the sketching, teacher will now play the video, okay? Sure, ate. Sure, the actual art is here. Okay, to those who are done, wait lang natin ang other classmates nyo, okay? Because some of your classmates are still sketching. Okay, how about Ate Winter? Are you done, Ate Winter? Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, so pakita lang ni teacher yung final drawing pala, okay? So the pair will look like this, okay? Do you like this one? Okay, very good. So you follow teacher's instructions, okay? Okay, very good.
Okay, are you done with the sketching? Is that
No.
okay? Okay, don't make it complicated.
Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is to color the entire pair with color yellow. Okay? Just light pressure coloring. Okay? Okay, just lightly color it yellow. So after the first layer of yellow, you add another layer of yellow. Okay? You put another layer of color yellow. Light pressure pa din, but you just put another layer to make it a bit brighter. Okay? So after you color the whole pair with yellow, you do it again. Okay? We're gonna burnish the color yellow with yellow. Okay, is everybody done with the second layer of, okay, hindi pa daw. Okay, it's okay. Teacher's not gonna go to the next step yet. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Okay, very good. Okay, so for the next step, okay, naglagay lang ng another layer si teacher dyan ng yellow. Okay, so for the next step, we will be using the color. No, it's not 100 layers, so we're gonna be using the color orange. Okay, where's your color orange? Okay, very good. Okay, so let's go back to our reference. Okay, so as you can see here, we're gonna add color orange to this sides. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, we're gonna add the color orange to this side of the drawing. Okay? Okay, as you can see, asan mas malaki natin lalagyan ng orange? Is it to the left or to the right?
Left.
Okay, left. So, dito, it has more shadows. Okay? So, we will be putting more shadows on the left. And on the right, we will have less shadows. Okay? So, still, we're gonna be using lightweight coloring. Okay, yes, Kuya Julian?
Can we, ano po, Teacher, put some background.
Okay, you're gonna put the background later on na after we're finished with the pair, okay?
Okay po.
Okay, very good. Okay, so as you can see dito kay teacher, so teacher's making sure that the right side has bigger shadows than the left side. Okay, just light pressure, okay? Just light pressure so that it still mixes with the color yellow. Okay, very good, Ate Jaren. Ate Jaren, you can add more orange to that, to the left, in the left side, okay? Okay, let me see Kuya Jael. Okay, wait lang. Wait lang, hindi ko pa nakita kay Kuya Jael. Asan ba yung kay Kuya Jael? Wait lang. Okay, let me see Kuya Jael. Yeah, okay. Okay, hindi masyado nakikita yung ano. And also, your yellow, parang unlucky ata ng pair mo, so it doesn't look that smooth. Did you add another layer of yellow to it? Okay, so, di ba teacher said kanina you're gonna add another color of yellow so that it will look smooth? Okay, because if we only add one layer, so we will see the sketch lines. Okay, very good at the Jaren. Okay, teacher is gonna give you 2 more minutes for this one. Okay, Ate Jazz, you add more orange to the left side. Okay. Okay, are you done with this one? Okay, so after you put the color orange, so you put another layer of yellow, okay? So Kuya Joel, make sure you put another layer of yellow so that the color yellow and the color orange would blend together and your drawing would become smoother, okay? Again, light pressure, coloring, and angle your color pencils, okay? Very good. Very good, Ate Yasha. Now, add another yellow to it, okay? So that the color yellow and orange will mix. Okay, very good at the Amber. Very good at the Winter. Did you add a third layer of yellow to that at the Winter? Okay, very good. Oh, not yet. Okay, you add another layer of yellow. It's fine, Kuya. Kuya Joel, when you make color pencil drawing, there will definitely be a lot of layers. Okay, that's why when you color it, you're gonna color it using light pressure. Because if you're gonna color it with heavy pressure to make the drawing easier, you'll finish it easier and quicker, but it will look pangit. Okay? So we don't want our drawings to become pangit. Okay? We're gonna do it step by step, slowly but surely. Okay? Okay. So now add another layer of yellow in there. Okay. Sino natapos na nakapag-add ng another yellow? Okay. Ate Jaren, what happened in your drawing? Does it look better than the first layer? Ate Jaren?
It looks better than the first layer.
Okay, very good. So, does it look smooth and blended?
Opo.
Okay, very good. So, that's why to make our drawing smooth, we're gonna put it layer by layer. Okay? Okay, kindly stop spamming with the emojis. Okay, how many times nga lang mag-click ng emoji? Anong sabi ni teacher? Once or twice. Okay? Once or twice lang. After that, don't click the like reaction already. Okay? Okay, I think everybody's done with the third layer of yellow now. So after that, we will now go to the color brown. Okay? So for the color brown, we're gonna add the very corners of the pair. Okay? So this was the position of our color orange kanina, right? Okay, so for the color brown naman, still more shadows on the left side, but dikit na lang siya sa outline, okay? It should be really close to the outline. Okay? Kasi 'di ba yung outline natin, what's the color of our outline? Ano yung
Brown.
brown? Very good. Okay, so we're gonna add the color brown for the shadows. Lightly coloring lang, okay? Okay. Kung gaano kalaki yung color orange nyo, half of it should be color brown, okay? Half of the color orange, you layer with color brown, okay? Understand? Okay, very good. Okay, so as you can see here in teacher's drawing, teacher's making sure it is just really close to the corner, to the outline, and also the coloring of teacher is just lightly lang talaga. Okay, just color it lightly, okay? So that it will look blended. Okay? So that it will not look like it has an awkward something shadow. The left should be bigger than the right. Ate Amber, you can add a bit more brown to the left. Just lightly lang. Lightly. Ate Amber, lightly lang. You angle the pencil and just color it lightly. Okay, very good. Okay, very good, Ate Yumi. Okay, very good, Ate Winter. Ate Chloe, very good. Okay, very good, Ate Yesha. Okay, very good, Ate Jillian. Okay, Kuya Joel, very good. Put some outline pa din na brown for that, okay? Very good, Ate Honey. Okay, teacher will give you 1 more minute for the color brown. Wow, ang bilis naman ni Kuya. Ano, Kuya Julian, natapos na siya sa dahon and sa cast shadow. Okay, is everybody done with this part of the brown? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So now, let's go back to our, this one. Okay. So can you see the little dots? The dots here? Can you see it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so now you get your color brown and then you also put dots in your pear, okay? Just like this one, just dots. Okay? Use color brown.
Teacher, I'm done po, teacher.
Okay, very good.
Teacher,
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, very good. So now, ano na lang? Okay, so get your erasers. So sa mga pwedeng ma-erase yung color pencil, so you get your eraser, okay? Okay, you get your eraser and then dito na part. Okay. Can you see teacher's screen? Can you see teacher's screen? Yes or no? The one with the pear. Okay, very good. Okay, so you get your eraser.
No!
Hindi nyo nakikita? Okay,
Hindi po.
okay.
We can see it.
Okay, Kuya Gab, your other classmates can see it. The one with the pear. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you get your eraser and you erase this part for the highlights. Okay? So, a little bit on the upper part and a bigger one on the lower part. Okay? So, you erase those parts in there. Okay? In a circular motion. Okay? Okay, after that, you may now add the color to your leaf. Okay? Add the color, use color green and yellow-green for the leaf and brown for the stem. Okay? Teacher's gonna give you 3 minutes for that. Okay, after you're done with the pear, you go to the leaf now. Okay? Okay, very good. Are you done with the leaf? Okay. Okay, color the leaf with green now, okay? So that's the only thing left, right? So color the leaf with green and yellow-green. Yes, Ate Jaren?
Napindot lang po.
Oh, okay. Okay, you have 2 more minutes to finalize your drawings, okay? Okay, if you're done, we'll just wait for your classmates, okay? Wow, very good. Okay, wait lang. Sino nga yung nag-ask kanina ng drawing ng pear? Was it Ate Gia? Okay, here it is, Ate Gia. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, very good. Okay, very good, Ate Margo. What about Ate Denise? Are you done with yours?
Yes po.
Okay, let me see, Ate. Wow, very good. You made 2. Wow, very good. Okay, is everybody done now? Okay, everybody, show your cameras. So teacher can now take a picture. Wow, very good, Ate Jillian and Kuya Lucas. Ate Gianna, rather. I'm sorry. Ate Gianna and Kuya Lucas is what I mean. I'm sorry, ate. Shock din si ate. Tapos na-shock din ako. Wait lang. Parang hindi naman Jillian. I have a cousin named Jillian kasi. I'm sorry. Okay, Kuya Ocean, Ate Yumi, Kuya Elijah, Ate Cassidy, Ate Gia, Kuya Jacob, Ate Margo, can you please open your cameras now? So teacher can take a picture. Okay, open your cameras muna so teacher can take a pic. Okay lang po, I will be sending the recording later din po since it's time na din. Okay, how about the others? Open your camera, guys. Can you open your cameras now? Okay, para makatake ng picture si teacher. Nag-open na ba kayo ng cam? Hindi nakikita ni teacher. Wait lang, ha? Mag-aano muna si teacher. Okay, lobat ng laptop. Oh, it's okay. Mag-aano na lang tayo ngayon. Mag-open na lang tayo ngayon. Just a minute. Hindi talaga, okay, nag-open cam na. Yung iba na lang, hindi talaga! Oh my God, what's happening? Okay. Okay, let's now take a picture. Okay, hindi makita yung iba sa camera ni teacher, naka-off cam yung iba. Okay, wait lang talaga. Try ni teacher mag-log out and then reconnect, okay? Okay, kita na kayo lahat ni teacher. Okay. 1, 2, everybody, show your cameras now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile! Ate Winter? Ate Winter, show your drawing, Ate Winter. Ate Gianna and Kuya Lucas, show your drawing. Teacher's gonna take a picture now. Ate Cassidy?
nakamute po kayo.
Ay, sorry. Okay, everybody, show your drawing. Teacher's gonna take a picture now. Sorry, nakamute pala si teacher. Okay, Ate Gia, show your drawing, Ate Gia. Okay, 1, 2, 3.